What's up, rehabbers across the world? A new week, a new video. Trent Shelton here. Connect with me at TrentShelton.com. All social sites, just search Trent Shelton. I'm sure I'll pop up. Before I start this video about God's call, I want to send a big shout out to all the rehabbers across the world who share my video, who like my video, who tag my video. That's something that you don't have to do. It's something that you choose to do. So I really, really appreciate that. You know, I think the first problem is that people don't even hear God's call. You know, you ever been out somewhere where it's super loud and your phone's in your pocket or your phone's on silent and you get out, you have like 1,000 missed calls because you didn't hear it? Well, I feel like it's the same thing with God right now. I feel like we're living so turned up for the world. We're living so turned up for ourselves that we can't even hear him call, right? It's not like we're ignoring it. It's not like we're not just answering it. It's like we don't even hear it. So if you want to hear God's call, stop running away from him. Stop doing the things that aren't for your life, that he has for your life. If you want to hear God's call, you have to move closer to him, all right? That's the reason why you're not hearing God's call. The second thing is that, you know, people don't hear it. Once they do hear it, then they ignore it. Let me tell you a quick story about ignoring a call that could mean the world to you. When I was playing football, actually I was cut at that time, but I was looking for the opportunity to get picked back up. I was actually on vacation, and I didn't want to be bothered by nobody. But I knew that the Houston Texans were talking about giving me a workout. So the area code 713, if you don't know that's Houston, came across my phone. I seen it. I was sleepy. I was tired. I didn't want to be bothered. I pressed ignore. I wasn't even thinking it was the Houston Texans. I thought it was somebody just calling. Ended up, I woke up, found out it was the Houston Texans, and I missed out on the biggest opportunity of my life. And that's probably one of the reasons why I'm not in the NFL today, because I pressed ignore. Well, God is calling you. You see it. You're running from it. You feel like, oh, I'm not ready to live that lifestyle, or that lifestyle isn't fun. Let me tell you, living for God is the best thing that you can do. So stop pressing ignore when you see God call. Pick up that phone and answer that call. The last thing to do, after you ignored it, or after you didn't hear it, after you ignored it, now it's time to pick up the phone and answer that call. That's all you have to do. That's the best thing you can do. It took me 25 years to answer the call that God has for my life, which is rehab time, the purpose that he has for my life. All right, NFL playing football was my dream. This is my purpose. I encourage you out there to pick it up, because he has that abundance of life for you. He has that joy of life for you. He has that thing for you that the world can't steal, that circumstances can't steal, that problems can't steal, that haters can't steal. What he has for you is for you, and can't nobody stop that. But let me tell you something. Your mom can't answer that call for you. Your girlfriend, your boyfriend, husband, wife, family, pastor, I can't answer that call for you. The only person that can answer that call for you is you. So rehabbers today, I encourage you to not go another day, not go another moment running from what God has for your life. I want you to answer that call, but like always, it all starts with you. It's rehab time.